guys, if you're new here, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl sassyshan. Today you're going to be doing cooking with me. I'm going to be cooking some I'm going to be cooking some stewed peas with pigtails. Yay! So yes, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, so but first let's go into the intro. Alright, so as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. Yeah, so the peas I've already washed. But if I remember if I wash the show no, like, yeah, but the peas I've already washed. Hope you can see in the pot. Yeah, so the peas are washed, and I'm going to be putting this on now so I can pressure and all these things. My pig still already a soak. I don't want too much salt in there. I don't really love the salting. So let me put on this and then I'm gonna show you the pig still. Alright guys, so the fire light, I'm gonna show you when me light the fire. You know, my sister gone with her good camera. So firelight, peas on fleek. Peas can dip on fleek, like seriously. Let me remove this. Anyway, let me show you my pigtail all chopped up. Don't chop up by me, mommy's stronger than me, so you know, mommy chop it up for me. So if I go and soak, me now gonna lick it off it until the peas kind of pressure halfway. Yeah, when the peas sink and all these things, then I'm going to be putting in my pigtail. So yes, yeah, so I'll see you when I'm gonna put on back the pressure cooker. Pigtail I'm going. I find it because a chicken dropping the thing at people, but I work with the pigtail.
What's the fun drop in there? For me and touchy.
Alright, so yeah, come a little closer. So it
Finger
is
drop in there?
mixing up now, and then I'm going to sink it a little. Pressure cooker done, so I'm going to light by the stove. Thanks to mommy for turning it off. Make it ring. So, let's show them, Shaki. Come a little closer, Shaki. Come a little closer. Show what's in the pot. So it's all ready. Now I'm gonna season it up and then we can have a blast. Yeah. You have to melt to go into my potty. So best you use your onion people. Come in a spoon for. But anyway. Just I make some like spinach to go in the pot. Guys, I'm going to put in the spinach. So what you do, you spin it like that. But I want them so big, so I make them fine and little. Can't make them fine and that. But yeah. Little spinach. So this is where you're going to season it up, right? Yes. You smell that, Shaki? You don't smell it. You're bad man. People, it's not going to cook dinner. But if you shouldn't eat me dinner now. So what do you think we're going to eat with this, Shaki?
Rice.
Oh, tell them again. We're going to do white rice. Normally, I don't eat stew peas with university. Well, people eat it with that other things, but white rice. So after this, you'll see me doing the rice. Peace out. going to be putting, we're going to be seasoning our pot, right? Okay, going to be taste good. You know, Jamaican love them earthly season. So we're going to pour some of that in it. What else am I going to put in it? Butter, cocoa, and coconut milk. But I'm not quite ready yet, so you'll see that soon. Ooh, guys, the pot is bubbling with for the rice, so we're going to be pouring that in right now. So, alright guys, so I'll be putting in Grace cock soup and Grace coconut milk in here. So yes, oh, reason why you see that look so, I place in butter, so that's the butter effect. All right, so let's have it. I'm gonna get my scissors, cut open the coconut milk, cut open the cock soup. By the way, I never tell the people you have to taste the thing to see if you cook, or taste it to see if you cook, so you know when to season up a pot before you even season it up. Alright guys, so I did that already, so I'm gonna drop it in. Oh no, see me. I'm gonna see me, so I'm gonna stop. You can't see me now. So I'm going to put all of it in there. All of it. All of it. And I'm also gonna put all of the cock soup in there, just a little, probably even that too much, because you don't want it too salt. Well, I don't want it too salt. All right, so what you're gonna do is, oh, you see the thickness already, people. You're going to mix it around. Oops, I got my rice over here trying to fall off the place. What is wrong with him? All right guys, so see the thickness already. All right, so we're going to leave this to simmer down, because I'm going to turn down the pot, because I think that the the fire too high for it. Right, listen, don't drop off. All right, so we're turning down the flame. It's about there, and we're checking back with the rice. I already turned down the rice, as you can see. Let me put our mess over here. Oops, I made a mess on the floor, guys, but it's all right. See, rice coming on. So we're going to give them a couple more minutes, and then we come back. Okay guys,
one eternity later.
Get that full spoon. So let me get rid of all of that, all of that, and all of that, and all of that. Just giving that reflection on the fridge. What? There was a reflection on the fridge. I don't know. Tell me when to stop for your rice, because you're not a rice eater.
Because that'll do.
You look at like, you know, at me.
You want one so? Not me.
One red art. That kind of stuff on. Not some of this. Do you want pork chops?
Everything. Full up the plate.
I love when you see that.
Full up the plate, but can I eat it?
Show that.
Could you put some of that gravy thingy on the rice, please?
It's not how my mother taught me.
I want it on the rice. Don't you give me no attitude. Don't you dare touch it, woman. No what?
spinach.
Oh, spinach. And a dumpling.
Remember, let me get some peas over here. There's some peas in the plate. There's some peas in the plate. There's some peas in the plate. Oops, couldn't take this picture. Here.
I went for seconds. I still have it now.
Yes, guys.
So good.
So what is it? It's marinade.
What are you talking about?
I hope you all know that.
Alright, guys, so let me get a little bit of
Since
the
my plate was
rice.
so small. And it seemed as if I hadn't eaten.
Take a picture, Alice.
Blame it on the
Cheese.
It's nice.
nice.
She can't marry.
Nice. Yes.
She can't marry now.
Seriously?
If
I give permission.
If
Who
it's
can't
even
cook,
that.
can't marry.
You say.
Okay, if you can't cook, it makes sense.
Exactly.
Baby, I, ooh.